Hello students. Today we will study about the skeletal system. Okay? So what is a skeletal system? This is the internal framework of human body. Like आपने देखा होगा जब कोई बिल्डिंग बनती है तो उसके पहले पूरी बांस की बल्ली वगैरह लगाई जाती है ना. What is that? That is the framework. Same like that, the framework of our body is our skeleton. It is composed of 270 bones at the time of birth, but slowly, gradually, it will decrease up to 206 bones because some bones get fused. Okay? So basically हमारी बोन्स में 206 बोन्स तो होती हैं, बट इसके साथ ही साथ इट हैज़ जॉइंट्स, कार्टिलेज, tendons and ligaments also. So what are the main function of a skeletal system? The main functions are to support the body for locomotion, to provide protection for the internal organs ताकि internal organs collapse up ना हो जाए, खराब ना हो जाए, तो it provides them a protection also. It also acts as a site for the production of blood cells, like the blood cells get produced in the bone marrow, and the storage of minerals, particularly calcium growth and for the development. So these all are the main functions of a skeletal system. Like you all can see that there is the human skeleton where there is a skull, clavicle, ribs, vertebrae, pelvis, sacrum. So these all are the name of the bones of our body system. Okay? Like there is femur, knee, tibia, fibula, wrist, ulna, radius, elbow, scapula, vertebrae, so many. I will share this image in group also, so you can write it and can draw in your copy also. Moving ahead, the two broad division of the skeleton are the axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. हम पूरे skeleton को two parts में divide कर सकते हैं, which is the axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Like in this figure you can see all the blue part is the axial skeleton and all the purple part is the appendicular skeleton. So what does the axial skeleton system have? It is composed of near about 80 bones which conclude the bones of a skull, the ossicles means बहुत small छोटी छोटी जो bones होती हैं वो, of a ear, the hide bone of throat, the vertebral column and the thoracic cage. So what does it do? It basically provides protection to our brain also, to our spinal cord and to the vital organs, and it also provides a surface, the muscles to attach on it. Then the appendicular skeleton, it consists of 126 bones which include both the upper and lower limbs, means आपके दोनों हाथ पैर, bones of the shoulder and pelvis. So here if we separate the skeleton in the appendicular skeleton and axial skeleton, we will see this. So what are the main component of a skeleton system? It is composed of 4 main connective tissues, that are bones, ligament, tendons and joints. What are bone? Bone is the rigid form of connective tissue that is the part of a skeleton system of vertebrae and composed mainly of calcium, जो कि कैल्शियम से बना हुआ एक connective tissue रहता है, which is helps the whole body organs to get connected. Then ligament and tendon, these are very important. Ligament, which is a small band of dense, white and fibrous elastic tissue. What does it do? It connects the ends of bones. Okay, two ends of bones will be get connected by ligament, and it also assists in holding the organs in place. Same like that, tendons, which is also a tough and flexible and fibrous connective tissue, but it connects the muscles to bones. Okay, So the main difference is that ligament connects to end of two bones while the tendon connects the muscle to bones. Then joint. Joints hold the skeleton and support movement. You must have studied about joints in class 5 also. They can be grouped together by function structure such as the ball socket joint, hinge joint, pivot joints, like that. So again you can see the human skeleton system here. So I hope you have studied and understood the whole human skeleton system up to your grade. Thank you so much. Take care a lot and bye-bye.